Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel Progressive Always. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study example number 4 of practice set 1.4 of first chapter, linear equations in two variables. Let's start the solution. First I write given equation as it is. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. Now here numerator of both is 1. I write here bracket and equation 1 I write here. Similarly second equation I write 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now here is in denominator, here is 2 out of the bracket, here also 2 is there. Now we have to separate these 2, but single 2 we cannot take separate. With the 2 we want some numerator. That's why here 1 upon 2 I take separate, and in bracket what is left there 1 upon 3x plus y. See 1 upon 2, this fraction is taken out. When we take 1, here also 1 is there, minus here also I take 1 upon 2, this 1 upon 2 separate, multiplied by in bracket what is left then 1 upon 3x minus y. Bracket close is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Here I write equation number 2. Now this and this both brackets are same, this and this, these two brackets are same. We have to replace them by another variable. Therefore here now put 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon second bracket 3x minus y is equal to b. By putting these two variables in 1, 2, we get new equations 3 and 4. Now we have to put a and b value in equation 1 and 2. We get equation 1 now, a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. In equation 1 we put there. In 2 also we have to put, but now you see here 4, here is 4. We want this in standard form. If you want to convert this into the standard form, multiply by 4 to all these three terms. Multiply by 4. Multiply by 4 here, and multiply by 4 here also. If you multiply by 4 here, we get 4a. If you multiply by 4 here, 4b, and if you multiply by 4 here, 4 will get cancelled, only 3 is left. And here I write equation number 3. Same way second is here you see, and 1 upon 2, this is a, minus 1 upon 2, here this bracket is equal to b, is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now dear friends, here also we have to multiply by LCM. What is LCM of 2 and 8? LCM is 8. Therefore multiply by 8 here, here and here. If you multiply by 8 here, you see, multiply by 8, here also multiply by 8, here we multiply by 4, here we are multiplying by 8, is equal to minus 8, 1 upon 8 into 8, here also we multiplied by LCM 8. Now what will happen here? 2 1s are 2 4s are, what is left? 4a. Here also 2 1s are 2 4s are, minus 4b is equal to here 8 cancel, minus 1, and this is equation number 4. Now we have to solve equation number 3 and 4, and by solving we get AB values, not XY. First we will get AB. Now see here, write third down here, 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. Now we have to solve it. See, 4b minus 4b cancel, value 0. Here addition, 4a plus 4a 8a is equal to 3 minus 1 2. A is equal to 2 upon 8. A is equal to, if you reduce here, 2 1s are 2 4s are 1 upon 4. We got the value of A 1 upon 4. Now put this value in 3 or 4. We get value of B. Here I write, put A is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is here. 4A plus 4B is equal to 3. Now value of A put here, 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4 plus 4B is equal to 3. 4 cancel, 1 plus 4B is equal to 3. Now transfer order, 4B is equal to 3 minus 1. 4B is equal to 2. B is equal to 2 upon 4. B is equal to 1 upon 2. In this way we got now value of A here and value of B here 1 upon 2. Now we have to resub these values to find X and Y. Resub 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to A and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to B. Put here value of A and B. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to, value of A is 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to, value of B is 1 upon 2. Now take the reciprocals, means invert and do. 3x plus y is equal to 4. I give here equation number 5 and here also invert and do. 3x minus y is equal to 2. I write here number 6. Now 5 and 6 we have to solve. 6 example equation I write here. 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation number 6. Now it is easy. Plus y minus y cancel because they have opposite signs and same coefficient. 3x plus 3x 6x is equal to 4 plus 2 6. X is equal to 6 upon 6. X is equal to 1. First one variable we got. Now put this in 5 or 6. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 5. Equation 5 I write here. 3x plus y is equal to 4. I put value of x here, 3 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 1s are 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3. Y is equal to 1. And therefore solution is now, solution is 1 1. This is the solution of this example.